Hey guys, it's Roto, and today I have a couple of unboxing videos. One is this one, which is a quick release for my Weebill-S. And then the other one is a Manfrotto tripod and video head. And so the first thing that I'll be doing right now is unboxing this one. I think this is going to be very fast because this is just a quick release for my Weebill-S. And so if you're wondering why I wanted a quick release, so if I'm using my Weebill-S right here, okay, you can see it in the GoPro. If I need to change the handle, I have to screw it again, right? And sure, it's fine, you know, you're gonna have to stop your video anyway. But you know, having used quick release or quick releases on my pressure washer, I don't really want to do all of these like steps anymore. I just want to like press a button or something and then change the position for this, I don't know, handler or handle. So let's open it up. I don't think I need a, yeah, I need it. I'm not strong enough. I need a scissor. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, all right. Let's just open this here on this side. There you go. So, let's see. It says, well, I can't read this, but it says here in English, Transmount Quick Setup Kit for the Weebill series. So, let's go ahead and open it. Oh, good thing that it has like a, I don't know, seal or something so you know that it's been opened. And I don't have a cutter. Maybe that's something that I need to buy if I'm gonna be doing unboxing videos. Oh, what the hell. Because now I just made it hard for myself. And now this is ruined. It's not that ruined. Okay, so let's see. Trying to open it. It's this one. Is this just a extension? Or, oh, so this is the one that screws up. Okay. That's it. It's just one pair, or it's not even a pair. Well, this is, I guess this is a pair. So I'll be screwing this one here. Well, don't you have to screw it still? I still have to screw it. See? What the heck? Well, I'm not reading the instructions correctly, so must be something else. Let's try the other one. Oh, there's instructions. I don't understand that. English. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. So I have to, there you go. That's how it works. Let me see. Ching. There, boom. How do I bring this back up now? There we go. Okay, I get it now. So that works. And then for here, just gotta break a little bit of that. Oh, did I not break it? Yeah, I'm gonna invest in a cutter because like this sucks for opening. I mean, it's nice, just like you can tell whether it's been opened or not. Okay, so I won't be using the other one, so I'm just gonna be using, how do I do this? There. Okay. So I'm gonna screw this one here. Alright. Let's see. Screw this one here and then take it out. There. It's supposed to be like this. And then I take this out. And it's supposed to go in. Oh, but I have to still press it. There. Oh. It's not as fast as I would thought, but looks nice now. Hold on, let me just set this aside here. And I'm gonna make sure that this is screwed. Oh, it doesn't have this part where I can like lock it. I can't lock it. I just have to like screw it. How do I unlock it? There. So yeah, I guess this stays here forever because I can't lock it. See? Still the same. I'm just gonna scratch that plastic. I mean, I don't think it's gonna like go away anytime soon, so I just pull this down. Wait. No. Hold on. I got it backwards, I think. Oh, no. I got it right. I have to screw this first. There we go. And then I pull this down, right? And then I put this here. And then now I can do that. I mean, I guess it's, I'm gonna screw this tight, a little bit tighter than usual. So if I have this on, you know, it's fine. Okay. Oh, I gotta get used to it. Just now. Now it's as easy as this one. Oh, there. I have a little bit of extra height here. So I guess that's it. I'm gonna keep this one. Actually, I'm gonna keep both of these packages so that if ever, then I'll have a place to put them back. So I guess that's it for the unboxing of this one. You know, it's relatively quick. So you're not, if you bought two of these, you won't be using the one piece of it because you only need one. I guess you only need one base that attaches to the grip. I think that's what it's called. Oh, it's not aligned. Let's see if we can fix that real quick. There. It's straight now. Okay, my OCD. Okay, it's all good now. So, since I'm right-handed, I always gotta approach it on using the right side, and then have it like that. Perfect. I think that's it. That's it for the video, guys. Unboxing and, you know, the practical use of it. I mean, it definitely is faster if, you know, you get used to the attachment points, right? Yeah. Oops. Okay. What the heck? There you go. I'm still not used to it, but it's tiring because the 16-35 isn't really a light lens, so. And this is aligned, so I'm okay with it. And that's it, guys. That's for the unboxing and a little bit of my first impressions on the quick release. Oh, it's aligned here too. Nice. They're all aligned. Well, thanks for watching. Awesome.